What's up, Internet? Travis here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram, and we're going to go over one of my favorite and one of the newest used pieces on my lot here. It's a 2019 Dodge Ram 3500 Limited Mega Cab Dually. Now, if that wasn't enough of a mouthful for you, wait till we get to some of the fit and finish and features here. So, 6.7 liter Cummins. Starting off at the front, I mean, we're going to get there, the hood's open. You've got your Lexan coated headlights there, fog lamps down below. You do have the parking sensors in the front. You've got your heavy duty tow hooks. That's a solid Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson solid front bumper. You've got your beautiful chrome clad grille. Taking a look under the hood here. I don't know if you can see up there, but you got your cab marker lights as well. Now, obviously, I'm 6 feet tall, so I can see in here no problem. You guys might not be able to. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, in my personal opinion, and the opinion of many others, the greatest power plant ever manufactured, ever by anybody, well, ever, anywhere. Coming around to the side here, you've got obviously a little bit of a fender flare here. Again, color matched, as well as the bumpers in the front and the rear. You have spikes. If ever you felt as if there was a deficit of spikes in your life, you're welcome. Never been happier for you. Next to new rubber, these are General Grabber all-terrains, a great high-quality all-terrain tire. Mud flaps here as well, because, you know, rocks and stuff, and you want to protect your spikes. Tow mirrors, now for a couple of reasons. One, added horsepower, and for pulling stuff as well, and it's definitely important. But if you like them, you can just flip them up and do whatever you want with them. Don't let anybody tell you how to be you, you be you. You've got your lane departure as well. It's going to give you a little bit of a beep, a little bit of a signal on your mirror there if anyone's getting too close to you or you're getting too close to anybody else. A couple of beautiful chrome accents, Ram, Limited, Cummins turbo diesel. Again, you have proximity entry on this one, so you don't necessarily need your key fob to be out or active or doing anything in order to physically lock and unlock the car. There's a sensor inside the door handle, and there's a nice little button here on the door handle, so you can lock it with this, unlock it with that, boom, you're getting in. Moving more along here, it is a mega cab, so you have all the added room in the world, and it's very aesthetically pleasing on the exterior of the vehicle as well. Now, one of my favorite parts about this truck is the fact that it is a dual rear wheel. You got the upgraded Mayhem rims on this one as well. Very chrome. You know, maybe I'm not the biggest chrome guy, but I think this is very appealing. You've obviously got your expanded wheel wells here to fit both wheels. So if you're looking to pull anything like maybe a whole home or something along those lines, you have all the capability in the world. You got the mud flaps on the back as well. Beautifully redesigned rear end, redesigned since I was here doing Ram stuff. Again, solid rear bumper, painted to match, couple of chrome accents as well. You do have your backup camera tucked safely away there. You've also got an additional backup camera on the rear of the cab. Solid roll and lock tonneau cover on this one. You've got the assisted lift gate, so you don't have to really hold it and assist it while it's down. It's assisting you by not requiring any assistance from you. Spray in bed liner. This one's got the fifth wheel prep package already installed in it, ready to go. Ready to do some serious hauling, and with that, I believe we should take a peek on the inside. Okay, so we're comfy cozy on the interior of the vehicle. One thing I wanted you guys to quickly pay attention to is it does have the power boards installed. Now, because we've gone ahead and opened the doors as any normal people would when trying to get inside of something, these boards have actually come out, but we're going to talk about a couple of the fit and finish features on the interior of this truck. You've got these beautiful stitching accents in here as well as the wood grain. It touches up very nicely with a little bit of chrome accenting as well. The speaker covers for your Harman Kardon sound system, which is phenomenal. This one comes fully equipped with the WeatherTech floor mats as well. Another nice thing is that somebody's gone ahead and added these nice little niceties essentially to the truck that most people would go ahead and put on their own aftermarket, but got you covered. Power, heated, as well as cooled leather seats. Now, this is a very high quality leather. You're going to want to avoid scuffing and scraping and scratching. I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want. It's your truck, but I would definitely try to avoid that. Beautiful wood grain wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated and has the leather inserts as well. It is a push button start. 12-inch touchscreen. The cool thing about the touchscreen that a lot of people don't recognize is that you can actually occupy half of the screen with one objective, half of the screen with another objective. Going through this here, this has the auto bed lowering. It's also got the media button here. Everything is really essentially capable of being accomplished with the push of a button. Climate button here. Apps, again, you can pretty well go through every single capability that the vehicle has that you're going to have access to on the fly just by going into the apps section here. This one's fully equipped with your navigation as well. Obviously, it has your hands-free phone, which is going to allow you to have phone calls, hook up your music, this, that, and the other thing. Again, Harman Kardon sound system. It's got 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low, 2-wheel drive, integrated trailer brake from factory, so that is an OEM part. You have alt trailer height button here at the push of a button, or at the tip of your fingertip. Anyway, tow haul mode, exhaust brake. You can turn the parking sensors off in the front and the rear, which I would recommend when hooking up to a trailer because there's going to be a lot of beeping and it's kind of unnecessary. Only 46,498 kilometers in this unit, so for all intents and purposes, it's brand new, and if you disagree with me, you don't know what you're talking about. You actually have the adaptive cruise control on this one as well, which again, can all be controlled by boop, 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 pushing a couple buttons. It's an incredible feature. Taking a look at the storage space up here in the front, beautiful center console, shallow console here, suede inside. Beautiful place to put your wallet. Never seen anything that high quality in your life. Flip this up. It's literally got a protractor and other random measuring devices here. I've never been able to figure out what this is for. But every time I see it, my mind is blown because who just hops in here is like, you know what, guys, really quick, let me just bang out some math. Yeah, it looks like we're at 45 degrees. Incredible performance. You've also obviously got your deep console here as well for storage purposes. You've got a couple of different options here once you flip up your center console. Cup holders, which can be hidden with this beautiful wood grain. It's a change holder, knickknacks, things along those lines. Now this actually slides front to back, creating even more storage opportunities for the lucky customer who purchases this. And guess what? It's got a CD player. So really, what else do you need? Sunroof. You can tilt it, you can vent it, you can open it. Power sliding rear door, as well as 3 separate buttons for 3 different universal garage door openers. How many garages do you have? 7-inch vehicle display center. Again, you're going to be able to go through all of the features of the vehicle as far as operation goes. So your fuel levels, your tire pressure, this, that, and the other, your fuel economy, right? Incredible. We are in the back of the 19 Limited 3500 Mega Cab. Now, obviously, Mega Cab implies mega room, mega storage, mega space. I'm going to show you something super sick, super fun, super cool. Pop this down. You give it a little twisty on the lever here. Look at that, it's almost completely flat. You have a couple of hooks and stuff back here for additional storage, but there is an additional button down here where if you pull it, you can quite literally make it go flat. I've heard of people putting small single or even double mattresses back here for when they're away or working or doing this, that, and the other thing, and I've always thought that that was relatively interesting, so I'm very happy to see that. You also have the WeatherTech floor mats in the back here, a couple of USB charging ports. The seats in the rear are also heated, which is very, very, very nice for when you're carting passengers around in your dual rear wheel Uber, I guess. You've got this 115 volt or 400 watt plug-in as well. Charge your laptops, whatever the case may be, right? This whole section does actually fold down. I just didn't think that it would be appropriate for me to be crawling over the back of the truck. It's not mine, just trying to be polite. But ample storage space back here, guys. Power sliding rear window, which is controlled from the front, but you can always toss a request up there, have them open it, and stick your head out the window like a dog. It's a great time. Okay, guys, well, this has been the 2019 Dodge Ram Limited 3500 dual rear wheel Mega Cab. For any and all information, you can give us a call down here at the store, 780-942-3629. Sorry, are we going? Said I got to be serious.
You can't be funny?
It's hard. Look at me. I'm a funny guy. I think I'm having a heart attack.
3,
Okay. I'm leaving. Not forever, but temporarily. Can I have a peanut butter sandwich? Says who?